She walks in heart wide, no disguise, but the world still tries to label her life. They wanna box her in, say who she should be, but she's more than what the world